Alformer Industrial. About us, Road to Success. Founded in 1989, Alformer manufactures and distributes industrial aluminum extrusion products as structural parts for automation equipment and as components for electronics, engineering, and transportation tools. In view of the future market demands and changes, and for business growth, we have progressively established workshops for aluminum window processing, CNC milling, and aluminum forging, and set up large extrusion machinery to achieve integrated production and distribution. Over the years, we have committed to the innovation and R&D of the related technologies of new products with outstanding integration capacity and core technology. With the double goal of green energy core technology and competitiveness, we provide customers with customization, production, planning, and ODM/OEM solutions to constantly provide and create product added value for customers and thereby help them enhance their international market competitiveness. Chronicle of Alformer Industrial. Trustworthiness for insistence on quality. To Alformer Industrial, superior quality is a habit rather than a slogan. Every employee practices the production awareness of products of superior quality. Besides implementing quality control throughout the process, Alformer Industrial invests in the rain and wind test laboratory and a full set of inspection equipment to achieve total quality management. To further optimize quality and create value and competitive strengths for both customers and itself, Alformer Industrial develops long-term collaboration with customers to fulfill the customer's expectations. Major products and services. Alformer Industrial is committed to providing custom extrusion aluminum products with focus on industrial extrusion shapes, modules and guideways, construction materials including aluminum doors and windows, airtight windows and curtain walls, solar panel frames and supports, sporting goods, petrochemical device materials, parts and components for cars, ships and aircraft, electronic parts, mechanical parts, furniture parts, and other aluminum extrusion shapes. Following technological advances and market demands, we constantly develop high-strength aluminum alloy and produce excellent products for customers. Every year, we provide a capacity of 15,000 tons to fulfill customer demands. Alformer Industrial spares no effort in investing in various advanced and precision production equipment for CNC processing and forging components to ensure product precision and stable quality, in order to provide customers with better quality forged aluminum products. Major products include auto parts, bicycle parts, mechanical parts, and shock absorbers parts, mountaineering safety accessories, parts and components for sporting goods, and caliper parts and customization of these products. Alformer Industrial provides long materials anodizing for up to 6 meters to fulfill the aluminum electroplating demands of customers. Apart from a range of color options, there is lacquering or service coating to enhance the material's anti-corrosion performance. In the future, we will engage in the innovation and R&D of green energy new products based on the business philosophy, superior quality, enthusiastic service, and trusted reputation, to provide customers with faster and lower-cost solutions with more diverse, high-value added, better and newer products in order to create unlimited business opportunities for our customers. a trusted and trustworthy partner. Alformer Industrial.